हे सुलक्षणा, हाय. तू बोलतेस तर मला ऐकायला येत नाहीये. Still I have issues. I don't know. I think माझा हा बरोबर असावा.
हॅलो
बघूया कोणाकोणाला विनू.
हॅलो सुलक्षणा. आज
ओके,
व्हिडिओ
तुम्हाला दोघींना एकमेकींचं ऐकायला येतंय?
क्लिअरली.
हा, ओके. सो माझ्याकडेच प्रॉब्लेम असतो. आलं.
तुला काय ऍडमिट करावं लागतंय का? कसं आहे? तुझा आवाज येत नाहीये मला सुलक्षणा.
अजून पण नाही येते सुलक्षणा, म्हणजे मला दिसते तू बोलतेस.
एक पर्सन वेटिंग आहे सुलक्षणा. ओके.
हा, हे बघ. आता येतं ऐकायला? कॅन यू हिअर?
येस.
परफेक्ट. हेडफोन्स लावते. ओके, आलेच.
2-3 मिनिटं थांबूया सुलक्षणा. ऐकू येतंय का? माझा आवाज ऐकू येतोय?
हो हो, येतोय ऐकायला.
किंग अर्जुन कोण आहे?
परफेक्ट.
लाईटच्या इकडे बसली आहेस सुलक्षणा मस्तपैकी.
आज एकदम समोर दिवा लावला. ओके.
2-3 मिनिटं थांबूया म्हंटल अजून.
येस येस, तोपर्यंत मी पण माझं सगळं रेडी करून ठेवते.
येस. काय बक्का बक्का जेवले माहितीये मी संकष्टी चतुर्थीचं.
फोटोची खूप तारीफ झाली आहे सुलक्षणाचं.
हा, एकदम जीजेसीच्या वेळेला काढलेला फोटो येतो, एकदम मस्त. त्या नदी किनारी. प्रसन्न प्रसन्न एकदम वातावरण होतं.
जीजेसी अप्रतिमच झालं.
हो.
आणि मागच्या वर्षी होऊन गेलं म्हणून बरं झालं. या वर्षी काही झालं नसतं काही.
हो,
यावर्षी फंक्शन नाही एमएमसीचे.
काय
आता यावर्षी काहीच नाहीये प्रोग्राम.
ऑनलाईनच ना जे असतील ते.
बस. हॅलो.
हाय दीप्ती.
दीप्ती कुठे फिरतेस?
काय नाही, बस चालू आहे. एका फ्रेंडच्या मुलाचा बर्थडे आहे तर आउट.
बर्थडे करायला लागले लोक.
म्हणजे 4 फॅमिलीज, 5 फॅमिलीज, नॉट मोर दॅन 10 पीपल टुगेदर.
या नॉर्मल, हळूहळू वी नीड टू गेट बॅक.
आय नो यार. आणि अगं मुलं ना, खूप मुलांची चिडचिड होतीये. म्हणजे दे आर लाईक किती छोटे छोटे 6-7 वर्षाची मुलं. देन दे स्टार्ट क्राईंग, यु नो. सो वी वर लाईक, अरे आपण काहीतरी करू शकतो.
हो, खरे. आमचे पण आम्ही आता सगळे ड्राईव्ह बायच करतोय, हॉंकिंग करून.
अर्जुन मला म्हणतो तू आता काम सोडून दे तुझं आणि माझ्याशी खेळ दिवसभर.
आय नो, नील पण आता खूप वैतागला.
हॅलो.
I can feel that in him. म्हणजे
हाय
आता
शैला.
okay.
हाय. हो सगळे आहेत हा.
येतायत.
प्रज्ञा, अर्जुननी अगदी त्याचं डीपी नेम लावून ठेवलंय तुझ्या फोनला,
हो
किंग
बघ ना.
हो, किंग अर्जुन. मी म्हंटल किंग अर्जुन कोण आहे आता?
मग
त्याचे पण भरपूर झूम असतात त्यामुळे मग मी ते बदलाच्या फंदात पडत नाही तर तो
हो.
आधी मला हे करतो. माझं आयडी का बदल.
मी तर माझं ह्या पुष्कळला वेगळाच डिव्हाइस दिलेला आहे, कारण ते मध्ये तर त्यांनी असं म्हणजे ते कुठले कार्टून लावतात काय चित्रच लावून ठेवलं त्याला. आणि मी कॅमेरा ऑफ केला की ते असं हिरव्या रंगाचं काहीतरी दिसत
अगं नाही, आता आपण कम्प्युटरवरती करणार आहोत म्हणून मी अर्जुनच्या आयपॅड वरती केलं, झूम लॉग इन केलंय.
हा
म्हटलं दोन्ही नकोय, हे सेपरेट ठेवला कम्प्युटर मधून लॅपटॉप.
या खरं.
माझा एक एक्सपिरियन्स आहे याच्याबद्दल. माझं शार्दूलने रीडिंगसाठी त्याचं नाव टाकलं. 2 दिवस मी माझ्या ऑफिसच्या कम्प्युटरवरती टाकलं. 2 दिवस सगळे ऑफिसमध्ये मला शार्दूल नावानेच दिसत होते. सगळे म्हणायचे शार्दूलने आज अटेंड केलं का शार्दूल, आणि मला ते चेंजही करता येत नव्हतं कारण ते अलाउड नव्हतं तिथे झूम मध्ये.
अरे बापरे, गमतीच असतात खरं.
चालू करायचं सुलक्षणा?
येस, चालू करू. पीपल कॅन जॉईन, आणि असं रेकॉर्डिंग आपण
या पीपल
करतोय.
कॅन जॉईन आणि मी ऍडमिट करेन या त्याच्याप्रमाणे. या Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. Wednesday, I think this is our 20th session, I think, together we can. And it's like, yeah, we did it. And it's going, we are getting a great response, and we are really, I think Sulakshana is the first person whom we are hosting on the show for the second time. So it's really our pleasure and honor to host her on Together We Can. Last session, she taught us about iMovie. Today, she's going to teach us about Windows 10. So I'm hoping to get a lot of good videos after this session is over. So thank you, Sulakshana, for really agreeing to come on the show and giving your time to us. And I would like to welcome you on the show, and over to Sulakshana.
Thank you so much, Vidya. It's always a pleasure to meet with all our families, friends and families. And thank you so much for starting this initiative of Together We Can. Because right now, because of that initiative, we have been able to pool our knowledge with our friends and families. Everybody sharing their knowledge, and as a community, we are growing stronger with this one. So thank you so much. So I think I will not take a lot of time today in other details. We'll quickly move on to our session. Okay. Last time we learned on how to make quick videos using iMovies, which is an standard app that comes with iOS. So they have some ready transitions in place. They have some, we saw how to make a movie trailer and how to make a movie. So today we are going to try out an option on Windows 10. So these days everybody has Windows 10 with the new laptops, or in the last 2-3 years, if you have purchased a laptop, you would have Windows application called Windows 10. And on that Windows 10 application, previously they used to have an app called as Movie Maker, which I had used to make our videos for Shala or personal videos, and blend photos, videos, music, and animation together to make a small movie kind of thing. So now that app is no longer available. However, Windows has merged all of that into their app called as Windows Photos app. Okay, so this is a default app that will be available with your Windows 10. Okay, I'm going to share my screen so you can see. Who can share? Only host can share. Okay, can you see my screen? So if you type in photos, you should see this trusted Microsoft Store app, which is default available there. Okay, you click on it, it's going to open a okay, so it's going to open a photos app for you. Now in this app you are able to view your photos, your whatever, like if you open your photo that is on your Windows 10, it's going to open in this app itself. Now here at the top you can see something that says video projects. Okay, you click on video projects and it'll open the video editor for you. Okay, this is an inbuilt editor and allows you to do fantastic things. Almost all the things that we did with iMovies you can do here. Okay, so today we'll run a small demo on how all the details of the app, and you know, you can be more creative and make beautiful videos out of it from your memories. So I have actually already gotten some content ready, because like I said last time, before you make any video, you need to know what is the intent of your video. So are you making a birthday video, or you're making like a, you know, a beautiful sunsets video, or whatever your theme is, or whatever your topic is, that you need to know. You need to have your content ready, because you are going to spend a lot of time searching for your content. And once you have your content ready, you are good to go on that one. Okay, so here I just got some content, but I'm going to show you how I got it too. So first thing about making this video project in Windows 10 is you definitely need to give it a name. Okay, unless you give it a name, this features, the project library, the storyboard, and the video will not be enabled. Okay, for our ease, I have already given it a name already, so I'm just going to continue with that. So the moment you give a name, it's going to enable these features. Now basically this is divided into 3 parts. The first part is your project library. Now this is where all your content is going to lie. So if you have like 17 photographs that you want to, photographs, video, whatever, as you know, you want to make a video, all of your content that you're going to use to make the video will be here in this library. Okay, the second part is the viewing screen. Now on this viewing screen, actually if you see, it takes you slide by slide onto what your projects are. Okay, or whatever how your movie is going to look is this is a small view of that one. Okay, and at the bottom you have storyboard. Now this is your actual project board. Okay, I'm gonna just remove everything from here. Okay, and we can just add it. So when you start, this is how it's going to look. This is an empty project board or a storyboard. And if you see, look at all the tiles over here. Okay, you can go drag and drop your images or videos, and this is the sequence in which it will play. Okay, so if I want my first image to be welcome, you need to place it first. Okay, it's a simple drag and drop technique. Okay, whatever you drop, wherever you drop, it's going to play in that place. Okay, now say I want this particular picture to go twice. Okay, I just drop it 2 times. And here, let me just add a few more. Okay, so I'm just dragging and dropping them, nothing else. Now if I just drag and drop, you see wherever it says it's a photograph, it shows you an image of a photo and it gives you 3.0. Okay, so this is how many seconds this photo will be visible. So if you start your video, this photo you will see for 3 seconds, then for the next 3 seconds you'll see the second photo, then this is a video clip. So this video clip is 47.76 seconds long. And the other part you want to note is that the video clips come with a volume. Okay. So if you click on the volume, it allows you to increase or lower the volume. Okay. So we'll see. I'm just going to go click here and play. This is our default. We just dragged and dropped the images. So you can look at what it looks like. If you see, the total length of our video is 1 minute 5 seconds and 76 milliseconds. So you just let me know if you are able to hear the music. Are you guys able to hear the music?
No.
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 Okay. Yeah.
No,
So I'm
not
just
here.
going to stop share for 1 second. And okay. Let me know if you can hear. Can you hear the music now?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce that volume a little bit. It's too loud. Okay, this is what our okay. So this is how our video is going to look like if we make no changes to it. Okay. Now slide by slide, we will take a look and we will make different changes to each image or video and understand how this application works. Now, let's take the first one. If you see here, we have options called as title card, duration, text, motion, 3D effects, filter, and show or remove black bars. This is, you can rotate the picture, you can delete something. And on the top you have background music, okay, where it's default music pieces that you would get with the application. There are many, and they come in pretty handy if you are making a quick video. Okay, and then there is custom audio. Okay, so custom audio is, if you have an audio file, you just import an audio file like I imported, and you can use it. Okay, and then we have option for finish video, where once your video is done, we are going to use that option to completely merge together all these photos and transitions that we put on the photos into a beautiful video. Now here you have an option of duplicating the project, taking a backup, changing the themes, landscape, and some settings. So we'll go through it as we go through the session. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to add images. Okay, if you click on the add, or how to get your content in here actually. So this is the add feature, and from this add feature you can select either the images from PC, from your collection, or from the web. So I'm just going to use web, and in this web you can actually see they have so many beautiful pictures. Okay, so for today we can just take yeah, let's take vacation. Okay, so let's use this image. You take this image Now you see this image actually lands into your project library. Okay. Now I want to take this picture and I want to put it all the way here. I can drag and drop my photos wherever I want. Even if I want to move it in between here, I can do that. Okay, it's a simple drag drop technique. Let's start with the first image where we want to add a title card. Okay, what is a title card? Title card is a slide that will allow you to add text to your like if you want to add something, say that, you know, what is this video about or something, then you can add it here. Let's say TWC video editing session 2. Okay, so you have the choice of choosing different fonts. Okay, these are predefined and they're quite easy to use. Yep. We can also decide where we want it to be. Do we want it to be on the side, or do we want it to be where did it go? Never mind. So let's take our standard video editing session. Okay, and let's okay, let's pick poetry. This looks good. Now, if you want to change the background for this slide, okay, there are standard backgrounds. You can pick something. And you can go ahead and explore. You can do custom color and, you know, let's say I want to have this shade of pink. You can do that too. Okay, so now this is our title slide. So if you have videos which are parts and you want to say, let's say you take a travel video and let's say you want to say you visited Alaska, so you want to put a title slide there, Alaska. Then another place is probably Florida. Then you can use these title slides. They come in really handy. Okay.
Hey, Sulakshana.
Huh.
So question. So along with the title, right, or text, can we add some pictures on the title slide?
You can, or you can just use a photo, like I'm using this photo and I'm going to add text on this photo. Okay. So let's say I can just add like hello there. So, and of course, like I said, you can select whether your text has motion. There are different things that you can do. So whether your text has 3D effect or filters, and we'll come to it. Okay. But for now, we'll simply go ahead and say we are adding text. You can select, I think you had an option to select the color, but I'll leave it here. There is an option to change the color of your text. Okay. So the other thing that we can do is we can change, like say for here, we can change the duration. Okay. So now this first slide, you see this slide, if I play the video, it's going to go for 3 seconds. Okay. Then after 3 seconds, the second slide will come. But say my third slide, I want it to be a little bit longer. I can just go ahead, click on this, and it'll allow me to edit the numbers, or I can click on duration. And so you see this particular slide is highlighted. So only duration for this slide will change. Let's say I keep it to 8 seconds. Okay. You can give any duration that you want. So now if you see, I'll move the slider back a little bit. Now the next slide will go on for 8 seconds. Okay. It's a little bit longer than the previous one. I have actually put it on this video. Okay. So next thing that we want to do, we increase the duration. We want to give it some motion. So you saw that in iMovie it had like this zoom effects, or it moves from left to right. It's called the Ken Burns animation, but here that animation is not directly available. You have to actually add it in. So let's take this one. Okay, now if you click on this and you play, is it giving you how it zooms to the center? I'm going to give it zoom and okay. So now I have added my animations. So do you see it's actually zooming in, but it's not that great an animation. Let's see. Okay. Do we know who this is? Jay will do it. I'm not admitting them. Okay, let's see if I can get an animation for this one. And if it's zoom out right. Okay. So it's slow, but it moves. So your picture actually moves for that amount of time. And if you have like a longer duration, you can actually crunch and make it go a little bit faster. Okay. So that's for that part. The next part I wanted to show you was the 3D effects. Okay. 3D effects. Let's say. So 3D effects, what it will do, it has inbuilt animations that you can add on top of your images. Okay. And give it like a little bit of cool look, if you ask me. Let's say we take butterflies. Okay. So for the first half, you see here, the butterflies here. If you click on here, you can control what length of the photo the butterflies will be there. Okay. And I want to add 2 effects. The second one is the sparkling effect. Okay. So you can actually move this, and it's more obvious with the balloons that I'll put on in the later image, but I'll show you how these effects work. Okay. And they also come with their own voice. I don't think, yeah, butterfly also has volume. Oh, that was it. So if you just add, so now my butterflies are playing from here to here.
That window 10 days open राहणार आहे. If you selected in that, then you will have the option to have a remote learning. Otherwise, in person जावं लागेल. असं काय करतो? शोधत नाहीये. हे बंद करू.
Hey, hi, is somebody, can everybody go on mute if you're not having any questions? Yeah, thank you. So we'll come here and we'll check out our animation, see how it looks. So you see the butterfly. So that is how our animations look. So if I let's say I want to add like this image, and if I want to add 3D effects, okay, let's say I add balloons. Now if I add them just straight up, the balloons will go up, but let's say I want the balloons to go across, then I can control the direction of the balloons and how they are going. Okay, if I tilt it like this, the balloons will go like this. If I tilt it like this, the balloons will go this direction. And yeah, okay. So the balloons are going to go all the way. If I play, yeah, you saw that. So what happens is sometimes the sound is not that good. You can just mute it. And if you play again, so now there will be no sound, but you have your balloons. Okay. Let's say I want to go and get a 3D effect. These are also very cool. Okay. So there is a 3D library which has 3D effects, and it makes your simple photos more engaging, I would say. Okay, let's see. Takes a bit of a while to load. Art celebration. Let's take outdoors and nature. Yep, there. So let's have this go on top, a pile of leaves. Okay, and it has different animations. So you can actually, if you give it a turntable, it's gonna go swing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna increase the duration of how long this animation will play. So let's see. Okay, so if you make it hover. Okay, that's how it looks. Jump and turn. Yeah, okay. So that's how it looks, and I'm going to actually turn off the volume on these. Okay. So till now we have covered all of these motions, 3D effects. Let's take the filters. Okay. Now what are filters? Filters, just like in your iPhone, they give a different look to your picture. Okay, you see the same picture looks different if you add different colors or different filters. Okay, so we'll add this filter so that we know. Okay, and the beauty of this app is that you can give filters to a specific photo or a specific section of your video, whereas it is that much more difficult to do in the iMovie because it just applies the filter to the entire stream. But here you can have one picture that looks like this and the other one that looks like the normal photo with a different filter. Okay. Now in this photo, you see there are two black bars. Okay. Let's say you don't want those. Then you just click here. It says remove black bars. So now, especially this is useful if you take your photos in portrait mode. So you see there is like that black bar. If you put it in landscape, then you would see like two black bars on the side. So this tool comes in really handy, which I have not seen in the iMovies. You have to stretch that image out a little bit, but this one, it's really good over here. You can, simply remove those black bars. You say I go remove black bars, and here also I'm gonna say remove black bars. So you see it actually can sense whether it's at the top or the bottom, and it's just gonna remove those bars for you. Yeah, I don't know what happens if I remove that. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so it just zooms in the photo a little bit. Okay, of course you have the choice of rotating your images and making them look upside down, or however adjust. So if your photos are vertical and you want to align them, you can do this pretty easily over here. Okay, so these all were images that we put in. Okay, but we can also use video clips like this particular clip. Okay, I'm going to turn off the volume for this for a bit because it has loud audio. If you play in middle of your photos, you can also have video clips. Okay, they will simply go in and play. Okay, so now you heard you can hear two distinctive audios here. One is like a dhol beat and one is the original soundtrack. Okay, so next piece we want to take care of is adding the custom audio. Okay, because this is what I have observed, that whenever I want to make videos, I generally have like a theme, and based on the theme I have like an audio track that I want to use. So if you go to if you Google it, actually search for audio tracks that are that can be used, which are not like copyrighted or licensed, because if you want to put your videos onto YouTube, they will take it off based off the audio track. If you're using like movie songs or something, YouTube will ask you to take off the video, or at least they mute that part of the track. So if you don't want that, look for audio tracks that can be freely used with our videos, and there are plenty available. So one of them I'm going to use today. Okay, we simply click on, if you, let's say we want to do audio for this slide. Okay, let's look at the background music first. These are default video audios. Okay, and distant ocean, I'm just picking one. Okay, I don't know what that is going to sound like, but I'm just picking one. Okay, so now this slide, so you observe that that audio track kept on repeating itself. Okay, now if you want the audio track to be specific to this slide, or maybe this slide, it's a longer one, so you can say sync your video to music beat. Okay, so the slides will change based on the beat of the music. Okay, now I really don't want to use this, so I'm gonna go ahead and
So, Sulakshana,
yes.
question. So, can we add like a different music to these particular different slides? Like one music type on one slide and the second one we can change it. Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Although you have to pick a track that is small, or you want to sync with the beat. I have done it before. Yes, it is possible. Some of these tracks are long, so they will go overlay on other slides, but we can change that too. So here, if you go to custom audio, okay, here you can actually hear the music. Sorry about that. I think I need to remove that. Select none. Okay. So if we, I like to actually use my custom audio. Okay. The beauty about custom audio is you can actually plan and place it wherever you want. Okay. So for example, I'm going to remove both of them and I'll add them. Okay. So if you hear, this is the original music piece for the video. Something is not right. For some odd reason, I have messed up that part. Okay. Okay. So for this one, if I want to get a custom audio, okay. Right now there is, yeah. So this is the original audio of the video clip. Okay. Let's say I want to add something more on that, on top of that. And then I'm just going to grab my audio track. And now the beauty of this application is you can actually drag and drop this audio track wherever you want. Okay. So let's say I want it to go here. And I can just make my slider move back. And yeah. Here. Okay. And I can control the length of my audio also. So this slider allows you to either make it big or small. Okay. I'm going to use it for its full length. So you can see how it looks. So now you see there are overlaps. Now my audio is also playing and the audio of the video is also playing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this one first. I'm going to come here. I'm going to reduce the volume of my basic, like the basic volume of the video clip that I'm playing. Okay. So now if I go back, here. Okay, so you see the other volume is playing, but it's playing in low volume. Okay. Now I'm going to add another piece of music. Let's say I want to add another. I have two, so I'm just going to add two. Okay. And this one, I'm going to start. I can just position where I want it to go. Okay. So I'm going to play this one after the other. And this is the full size. Okay. Yeah, I can extend it. Okay. So you see, I have stretched this music piece all the way to the end of the slide. Okay. And I'm going to say done. Now this is only for this particular slide. Okay. But what if I want the audio to stretch through? So now you see, did it click on that one? One second. So now we have this custom audio that is stretching onto this one, this piece, and this piece, you see, my audio is still there, and onto this piece. So I stretched my audio and applied it to all the other slides. Let's say, but I don't want it to be on this slide. Okay. So I just bring it here and I stop it here. So now if I go here, you can see okay, the audio does not play for this particular side. So that's how you can adjust the audio. Okay. And you can also control the volume with which your music will play. Now, since we have two audios, we can have it like this one fades out and this one fades in. Okay, so it's like, you know, one volume lowers, one volume, they will just blend into the track. Okay, so that is about all the features that you can use. I showed you the filters, right? Yeah, that is about all the features that you can use for the Windows 10 Photos app to make a beautiful video out of it. So now if you just go ahead, and it's a 1 minute 6 seconds long audio, we can check it out how it's going to look.
Hey, Sulakshana, sorry, I have one
बोल
more
ना.
question.
बोल ना.
So if I want to add multiple windows on the, you know, in the end, if we want to add multiple windows, like multiple people together, like from different videos, is it possible to do that?
Meaning you want to trim this clip?
No. Like if there are like 7-8 videos, okay, and I want to add everyone in the end, all together, you know, like 7-8 people in the end when they say something, like
Sure.
the same thing, like thank you, you know, all that thing. But
Yeah.
how to do that?
So you just drag and drop your videos. I just have one clip, so I'm just going to put like one clip. Okay, and that's a good question actually. I can show you what to do. Another thing that we can do. Okay, so now let's say these are 2-3 videos that you want to assume you have 3. So we put like 3 videos, one after the other. Now the first video, you only want to have like the first part. Okay, you can just say trim the video. Okay, with this trimming you can specifically control that I only want to show this part to this part. Okay, you can specifically control what you want to show. Okay, let's say I only want these 5 seconds. Okay, so that is done. This video is clipped. Now I'm going to trim this video. Okay, so okay, so this is the second part that we want to go. So yes, one part is to answer your question, Shraddha. Yes, we can add multiple videos and they will play in that sequence. Also, when they are recording video, you have some part that you don't want from there, you can just take it off. Okay, by this trim tool, and this split will just allow you to split the video. So if you want like this part to be at the beginning and the remaining part to be at the end, or you know, you see this video got divided, and now I can have this part move here and the other part move somewhere else, like yeah, I can move it anywhere I want. Okay, so now that we have added all of this, I'm just gonna go half on the music volume. So once you make these changes, if you go and look at your custom audio, you will see that the audio, remember we dragged the track and we put it to 1 minute and 6 seconds or something, because that's how long our video was to begin with. But now it's longer, and if you want to continue it longer, you can stretch it. Okay, you can stretch it all the way to the end. Okay, this is something you have to remember, because even though you keep on adding slides, your audio track is a separate overlay on your photos or your videos, so you need to drag and drop your audio track. Okay, also if I want to just copy this track, I just say Control C and Control V. I think I was able to do it last time. Okay, or I can just What's that video? Okay, just add it. Okay, so I got another piece of that second audio, and now I can place it wherever I want. Can reduce the size also to whatever I want. Okay, so that is done, and I'm just going to reduce the size of this one. Okay, so you see our total video is 1 minute and 43 seconds. And we can actually take a look at the end-to-end product now. Because we had some animation over here, it changed the duration. So we'll put it to seconds. Okay. So you can just edit your so in between we had no audio. So that's how your video is going to look like or sound like based on how you have placed your music tracks or how you have placed your images and what kind of animations you have used. Okay. So for us, I'm just going to delete these extra ones. So what happens if you delete something? Yeah, your custom audio also reduces itself. So this one has no, you see, it's the audio tracks get placed on the length of your complete video track. So if you remove some content, your audio tracks are going to shift. So it's best advised that you make sure that you have all your pictures and videos in place first, and then go ahead and add your tracks. Okay. So this one I'm just going to take off. And this one I'm going to put here. So we're going to say done. And once your entire project is done, what you want to do is you want to click on, oh yeah, before that I wanted to show you something. Themes. if you use themes, right now I don't have any theme, but like we had in the iMovie, it gave you different themes. So you can use like different kind of themes. Okay. Or you can have like a hill theme, or so it gives you that look, or your transitions will look like this. Use that. Okay, so you see it added all those colors over here, and landscape and feedback, landscape and portrait. It's just for how you are viewing it. So if you mostly 16 to 9 is a good one. Okay, and here we are going to click on the finish video. Here also you have option of high quality, saving it as high quality, medium quality, and low quality. I always pick the low, because if you want to share this video over WhatsApp or Facebook or YouTube, they are good enough qualities. Yes, if you are showing something on TV, or you're putting it on the projector or big screen, I recommend that you go for high quality. Okay, and yeah, this is one of the options. Honestly, I don't know what it is doing, but we'll export it. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, see, it's exporting, and low quality will be exported super fast. There, it is all ready to go. So if you put a theme, what it does is it's good for if you have images, because it will just time your images according to that theme. But what it did was it trimmed all of our videos to shorter size. So if you don't use a theme, it'll just play one after the other, whatever you have. Okay, so yes, you will need to adjust these, because this got reduced, but we can see. I hope everybody was able to make out how to make a video using this Windows 10 app.
It was fantastic, Sulakshana.
Yeah, yes, it was very helpful. Thank you, Sulakshana.
Thank you.
No, you all are most welcome.
Yeah, no, thank you so much. And it was really it was so fun, doing this video. And I bet how many people are now, I think around 20 people joined. So I think we will have 20 videos ready on Windows 10.
Sulakshana question.
Mast Sulakshana. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pradnya. Yes, Milind, you had a question.
मोशन जे आहे किंवा ते ट्रान्झिशन जे म्हणतो आपण, तर ते प्रत्येक फोटोला सिलेक्ट केलं, बरोबर आहे. पण जर मला सगळ्या फोटोसाठी एक हवी असेल, किंवा सगळे ट्रान्झिशन रॅन्डम वाईज मला सगळ्या फोटोजना हवे असतील, तर करता येतं का?
तर तू थीम्स वापर, म्हणजे आता जे आपण केलं ना शेवटी, तर वन्स इफ यू आर युझिंग थीम्स, व्हॉट इट विल डू इज इट will automatically put like a transition and time to your image. So ते प्रत्येक बीट चेंज झाली ना की प्रत्येक बीटला तुझा फोटो चेंज होतो त्याच्यामध्ये.
त्या केस मध्ये देन इट्स फिक्स, राईट? म्हणजे तुम्ही मग ड्युरेशन वगैरे आपलं वेगळं चेंज
नाही, तसं नाही. मग तुला जर का एक फोटो 5 सेकंद हवा असेल आणि त्यांची बीट 1-1 सेकंदाने चेंज होते ना, तर तू 5 वेळा तो फोटो लाव ट्रान्झिशन मध्ये. Just copy paste it 5 times, so it plays longer.
Okay. Thanks. Yeah.
That way.
Thank you so much. And
Thank
I
you.
think everyone, Shaila, yeah, like now we know how to make the videos, right? So thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you,
I have a
Sulakshana.
question. If I need to do like a song video, if I just have one song, like 4 minutes, and if I were to put a different background, um, I
Uh,
need more explanation on that.
So if you have, if you already have an existing song, to remove the background from there, probably you would need like a professional software like Adobe Pro or maybe iMovies or something. But if you have not recorded that song yet, and if you plan to record using a green screen, okay? So green
Okay.
screen doesn't have to be like any particular material, just green color, solid green or solid blue. Even if you have like a fabric or you have like maybe for example bed sheet or a curtain, that's that color, and you record in front of that, then there is a feature in iMovies that I know for sure I've used, which says change the remove green screen. So it will remove your background. So you can have any background that you want. So if you are actually dancing in your living room, but you want to showcase that you are actually in the middle of a garden or somewhere, just get the picture of the garden and replace it with the green screen. So it's easier to do, and it looks more professional that way. A very good example of that is in Zoom. You can use virtual background.
Right.
It's similar, so it's developed that way that it will identify your face, and then everything else behind it will remove and replace it with another background.
शैला तुला व्हिडिओ करायचा होता ना कुठला तरी?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody?
Yeah, मी तुला देते 2-3 नंबर.
Okay.
ते राहिलं होतं आपलं, आपण एकदा बोललो पण नाही.
Right.
बोललो आणि
मी
राहिलं.
विचारलेलं तुला.
हो.
Right.
मी तुला नंबर देते. प्रोफेशनली करून देणारे पण आहेत आणि हौशी कलाकार पण आपल्याकडे भरपूर आहेत.
बरं, चालेल. Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much, Vidya, for encouraging me to take this second
No,
session.
thank you, Sulakshana. You just like
नाही पण आयडिया आली की कसं, म्हणजे थोडीशी मला आयडिया आली की कसं करतात हे करत असते.
आणि नाही शैला, थोडंसं एक्सप्लोर केलं ना, यू गो इन देअर, यू लुक एट द ऍप, you click on things, you will figure out what to do. Honestly, I didn't learn it from anywhere. I was doing videos for Shala and my personal videos, and that's how I figured out using all these apps. So it's fun actually. Get फक्त फोटोज आणि तुझं कंटेंट रेडी ठेव, म्हणजे पेशन्स संपणार नाही.
आणि गाण्याच्या कुठल्या वेगवेगळ्या मूवीजच्या क्लिप्स वगैरे मध्ये
बरोबर
हा करू शकता. येस, ऍब्सोल्युटली. चालेल.
ओके,
थँक्यू सो मच. गुड नाईट.
थँक्यू सुलक्षणा.
Thank you, Sulakshana.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sulakshana. Nice.